Hello everyone, welcome to IIT. This is Aditya. What are the document required and in which sequence required on the day of interview that I am going to share in this small video. लास्ट ईयर जिन बच्चों ने आरआरबी पीओ का इंटरव्यू अटेंड किया था, दे गॉट दिस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रीनशॉट ऑन देयर इंटरव्यू सेंटर्स. So this is exactly the same to same demand which was kept by the RRB PO interview panel on the day of interview last year. मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है, मेरे लास्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट जो सिलेक्ट हुए उन लोगों ने शेयर किया था. आई सेव्ड इट दैट इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू गाइस दिस ईयर. तो इसके ऊपर बात कर लेते हैं. इफ यू आर अनेबल टू read it clearly, then don't worry, it will be available on my telegram group GA Genius by Aditya sir, or you can get it on the Guidely platform also, Guidely telegram group also. I am going to share it at both the place. चलिए मैं आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स बता देता हूँ one by one which are most important. First of all, it is going to be your call letter, ठीक है, which will be launched just few days before your interview. So call letter and Xerox. Every Xerox need to be self attested. आपको किसी और से अटेस्टेड नहीं करवाना है. Every Xerox need to be self attested, ठीक है. Second point, print out of your application form, IBPS RRB PO application form which you have filled. I know that few of you have already missed it. कि सर सेव नहीं कर पाए, भूल गए, that and this. So just before your interview, they will reactivate the link to download the application form again. So you can download it. Don't worry. I'll inform you in another video once it will be reactivated. That download it. Now your form is reactivated. Point number 3, photo ID proof, address proof. So your Aadhaar, PAN card that you need to that you need to take with you. Aadhaar is very important. So Aadhaar आप लेकर जाइए and PAN card with Xerox self attested, ठीक है, वो हो जाएगा. And after that 10th and 12th mark sheet. 10th mark sheet first and then 12th. So this is the sequence. That on the top interview call letter, then application form, after that photo ID proof, then 10th, then 12th, and after that your degree. Degree is must, guys. Either provisional degree or the final degree. Any one is necessary. If you don't have, apply it now, get it. I am repeating again. If you have provisional, no worries. Provisional will be accepted properly. If you don't have provisional and original both, you need at least once. Without that, they will not allow you to attend the interview. Point clear बता रहा हूँ मैं, बहुत clear, ठीक है? After that, degree of your post graduation. Degree of your post graduation. So it is not necessary for everyone, because those who have not done PG, it is not required. Those who have completed PG, they need it. Even if you will miss it, they will take the declaration and they will say you to submit it later. That is not a big problem, but graduation degree is must. ठीक है. इसके बाद आता है आपके पास caste certificate. So caste certificate, it is also one of the most important component of your interview document. If you applied in EWS, you should be belongs to EWS and you should hold the valid certificate of EWS. Similarly with the OBC, SC, ST. तो जिस भी कैटेगरी में आपने अप्लाई किया, आपका कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट आपके लिए नेसेसरी है. विदाउट सर्टिफिकेट दे विल नॉट अलाउ यू टू अटेंड द इंटरव्यू. कोई छोटा मोटा डॉक्यूमेंट अवेलेबल नहीं होता है. दे विल टेक द डिक्लेरेशन, बट दीज 2-3 आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट विच इज कंपल्सरी, मस्ट. आफ्टर दैट, नो ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट फॉर द पीपल दोज हु आर already working with any public sector bank, public sector insurance company, or under central government or under state government. तो आप किसी भी गवर्नमेंट या फिर PSC में वर्क कर रहे हैं, then you need NOC also, and that is also compulsory, that is also necessary. Disability certificate if it is applicable, other relevant document, and every document will be self attested. See, if you are working with a private company, any private company, you don't need NOC. अगर आपके पास आपका एक्सपीरियंस सर्टिफिकेट भी नहीं है प्राइवेट कंपनी का, दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट हाउ यू नीड टू अरेंज योर डॉक्यूमेंट ऑन द डे ऑफ इंटरव्यू. मैंने आपको सीक्वेंस भी बता दिया है along with what are the important documents required. So arrange your document, be free mentally, just focus on the preparation of interview, not on the other worries. Leave on me. If you have still any confusion in the document, do write in the comment box. I'll be able to resolve your doubt either in the comment itself or with the support of next video. If you need this image, it will be available on the GA Genius Telegram group of Aditya sir. One more thing, our interview batch is live. You can join the batch at costing around 1500 rupees with 2 mock interview, 15 plus live classes by Aditya sir, completely focused on your RRBP interview. So join the batch today itself. Do not miss to like the session, share with your friends so they will also able to get the information around this. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Jai Hind.